Hi everyone and welcome back from spring break. This is a picture of my desktop and what I got to see over spring break, and it was amazing. So I learned something on the Google Tribe podcast that I listened to as I spent lots of time in the car the last 2 days. And this one could save your life. So save you lots of time in your life at least. Watch this as I push my Google Chrome to open it. Usually it would just go to a blank screen. And now if you look here at the top, it's got all my tabs open that I want to use every day. So right away my calendar's open, my drive's open, Infinite Campus is ready to be logged into, my lesson plans from being in the classroom last year could be right open, and my inbox. I didn't have to open any tabs or anything. So this is how you do it. If you go over to these three little dots over here, come down here to Settings, go down to the bottom, and have on startup what you want to have started up. So here's a list of what I have. If I want to add a new page, I can go down here and just add a new page. If you want to do this first thing tomorrow morning, you could even open up everything that you'd like to have open in the morning and then just say use current pages and it'll auto load that, which would be really nice too. So adding a new page, I would literally just go here, open up a tab, figure out what page it is that I want there. So maybe it's my Google Classroom, and take that, copy the web address, come back over to it, where was it, settings, and paste it right here and add it. And now it's going to open my Google Classes also right on my startup. So I know that people have kept lists before and everything of what to open in the morning just to be ready to go. No more having to do this. Just add them to your startup menu. So that's a time saver. Have a great day. Bye.